OG, MG, VO, V. Life had never been pretty, couldn't even put it in a frame. By any means had to get it, but always kept my hands clean. Making moves across the nation, every dollar made a dream. Building profit from creation, any thought could be a thing. How could they take it if they never gave it? If I'm an enslaved, then it's me that's gonna make it. I feel like I'm meant for better, and you should too, because we all deserve to feel special. Don't let no one tell you I'm riddled with bullets of failure, but none of my vitals are felt through. My resolve is deeper than Gons when Peter took kite from his arms. I'll travel at God's speed until dawn, just to obtain what I want. It pains me to break all these personal bonds, but niggas just not what we on. I'm bigger than playing the role of a pawn. My image is not a facade. My demons are friends with the boss. He treats me like one of the boys. Would you cross the sticks without giving it a second thought? Risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the way. I got a couple of devils around for a couple of niggas that think they could get with me. Pull up and empty the 50. Clean up your block in the lickety splickety. B.O.B. keeping them with me. Filling them up, making this little nigga filthy. Who gon' pull up and come get me? I'm known from Boston to Compton. You know the bomb where you at. I'm loading up carbines and cop guns. You took the ball where you at, and you a rat. I never figured it until we figured it, nigga, figured that. And you was the nigga I'm fucking these bitches with, jigging in back of the trap with packs and straps. Oh nigga, I got the juice, bitch, best obey your thirst. While I'm riding on 23s, my enemies is in hearses. And any weapon formed against me better bust and hit me up first. These bullets is cursed, so I hope your mama knows. A risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the way. They like Jay, you stuck in the clouds. Get down to earth, pull your head out Uranus. Elevated my state, got a my rate. I only exist in greatness. I'm on a different plane, shit. If we ain't seeing eye to eye, bitches do or die, yeah, and I plan to make it. Yeah, I'm too great to fake it. Bigger bags that I'm chasing now. If the sky's the limit, then I'm aiming down. Money calling, I gotta take this now. Yeah, your people running on my patience out. So close, I can taste it now. Came a long way from that vacant house. They never thought that I'd make it out. Now it's bigger checks, yeah, I make them out. Hop in the OG spaceship, flip my bit, get licked, then I take off. Keep a Kit Kat, get back, click clack, don't give me no reason to break off. Cause I'm on the grind, taking what's mine. Hey, y'all, you tell me stolen my shine, could've smoke on his pipe. Worried I'm not, if you know me, you know that I'm been a risk taker. I started to make a video on it. I'm just trying to make a way. I'm just gonna come live, chill out with yourself. You know what I mean? I'm gonna come live. It's always hilarious. Trauma and the pain, nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the way. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm sorry, I'm not a moon boy. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the way.
You going DCA? Cause what's up everybody, man? What's the word, guys? Am I on my live stream? Okay, I'm here. I'm just chilling. What's up with y'all? We you know what I mean? We are having a little bit of pullback into the market. Oh dang, BTC dropped to 69. It was just 71. What? That's crazy. Just that quick, right? We're having a little bit of pullback in the market. Of course, we got the NPCs attacking me in my comments on the Elon video. It's always hilarious how these guys. Oh, let me turn on my light here. It's always hilarious to see those type of comments, right? I guess, you know, because I don't do conspiracies or moon boy content. You know, I'm not a real supporter. Now, I give you guys updates. I give you guys updates on what I'm seeing. I'm not a person that's afraid to speak my mind, pivot if I need pivot, or circle back if I need to circle back. I make trades based off momentum indicators. If you've been following my videos, they're momentum indicators. These are not emotional trades, right? And furthermore, I don't know these people. I ain't never seen like people that's part of our community they can have some sort of confidence in our community token because people see me, right? They like, okay, Millie is willing to put himself out there. So, you know what I mean? He's not looking to do anything, you know what I'm saying, in a negative light, which is true, right? I'm trying to protect our community and per se protect myself from any of that negative energy. And it's always funny when you think, you know, people get their hearts involved, and it's like, man, I'm not an emotional trader. I just trade off indicators and momentum, right? Momentum of the market. You know, at one point, you know, I was that guy that was emotional, but when you learn about, you know, crypto, you know, you got to stay like this, right? You know, it's what's best for your mental health, right? You know, mental health is not spoke on a lot in this space, but I like to double down on, you know, having proper mental health, especially when you doing Web3 full time. I mean, just think about it, guys. Like yesterday, I had to make an AMA at like 1 a.m. that went to like 3 a.m., right? Now I could have, you know, said, hey, I'm not going to make that AMA. I could have, my faith, you know, not my faith, but our project's picture was on the thumbnail there, and it would have just looked really bad if it was on the thumbnail and then nobody was there to represent the project. So, you know, even though I'm a little bit tired, I'm still here, but I made sure that I represented the project and you know, stand out for our community, for our team, not per se for me or for any, personal gain there. This was just something that I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna be up at 1 a.m., I might as well, you know, show up and make sure everybody know who we are and what we're working to accomplish as a community. So it's always funny when I see those comments, right? Core. A lot of people been talking about this core and then comparing it to a lot of things that's happening with Tau and then based AI. I think based AI has been a huge project. And then what is Cal pumping up? Pepe coin, right? Not this Pepe coin, but the other Pepe coin. I think they have like a POS type of website where you can actually play games when you get to their website. So today, guys, what I've been doing is I went to the Solana casino today. I had been away from the casino for like 3 days, and I was like, you know what, today I feel like being a DJ. I feel like loading up, you know, on some Solana meme coins and seeing if I can make a quick buck, right? Something short term. I'm not thinking about anything long term here. I'm just working to make a quick buck with some meme coins, right? So it was time to go in the casino, and I was like, you know what, let me just go live and have some fun with the community. Let's see what we got here. We got 24 people up here. Make sure that you like, subscribe. Melvin, what's the word, baby? Crypto coin, what's up, man? J5, the top of the pyramid, man. We gonna get there one day for the meme coins, right? Buy into the fear. Yeah, no fear here, man. BTC is pulling back. What's up, Carlos? Need a diddler meme coin. I'll be scared to show meme coins over here that I got into. Actually, I'm not gonna get into what meme coin I actually bought here because I'm probably getting wrecked at this point. Wow, core just kind of like disappeared there. Interesting. It wasn't the top 100, right? We did see Elon. So I guess we'll swing over here to Elon. We're back in the 9s as far as J5, right? Good to see. But we did see Elon have a nice little pump. There was some news that Vitalik here came out and said some, you know, made a whole article about charity meme coins and included Elon and how he donated the Elon token to the Methuselah Foundation, and we've seen a nice little move. And we're also starting to see a lot of bigger influencers, right? I think we've seen a guy with almost like 1 million followers on Twitter talk about how he loaded his bag at the floor levels, right? And again, he wasn't talking about Elon throughout the bear market. He was holding his bag, but he didn't say a word about Elon. He wasn't dropping content about Elon, right? What was he doing? He wasn't even thinking about Elon, right? But as soon as we seen a little bit of action, he wanted to let everybody know that, hey, Elon is ready to go, is ready to take his next move up. So just because somebody not talking about the project doesn't mean that they're not holding a bag or involved. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes it's good to step away from some of these meme coins and not get so connected from an emotional standpoint. It always blows my mind how these some of the people in the communities be, right? But I don't want to get into these meme coins that I've been actually getting into on Solana. Y'all let me know some meme coins that y'all been getting into because they've been hit or miss for me personally. hit or miss. Some I hit on, some I haven't. It's been 3 days since I actually went into the casino, so I'm excited to see a few tokens that I bought today and how high they will go, right? If they even go high. But let me know what y'all are looking at. What sectors are we going into? Do we have some news today? I know we're going into the weekend, so I don't really want to focus on anything from a macro standpoint because usually the stock market is closed on the weekends. This is Friday, Freaky Friday, fast running independent day, and aggressive yuppie day. Of course, we had SPF. Yeah, all bad for him, right? Famous right now, he's a famous criminal. But at one point, he was looked at as the goat of crypto, which was crazy. Like the golden boy of crypto. Facing 20 to 25 years is absolutely insane. And again, this is why we need more clarity in crypto, right? We need more people that's willing to come and have that integrity and represent their projects in a transparent way and really do the right thing because in this market. What I've noticed, right, is really about how much money that you have, right? And anything that you see across the market, there have been genuine partnerships for our project specifically, right? There's been a few projects that just genuinely are a fan of Johnny 5, a fan of J5, and they say, hey, we want to work with you guys. But then there's partnerships where it's just based on how much money you got and how much you're going to pay me for this integration. So, guys, yeah, crypto is really a weird place right now. It's really a weird place, and the more we get closer to closer to the bull market, the more I would say the fear and greed index, right? Let's go here to the altcoin. The more greed in the market, right? You see a lot more greed inside the market. We're not in the altcoin season right now, but if you were loading up on altcoins here, you'll probably make some pretty good gains when we do head into altcoin season. And you can clearly see that it's kind of like we're trading sideways. This is then an altcoin indicator, but you can also use it like charting, right? I use any and everything based off TNA and charting, and you can see here that we are definitely trading sideways for Memecoin. So this might just be an opportunity to DCA into your favorite coins there. Let's see some other indicators here. Well, let's go to the crypto sentiment, and then we head to the coin market cap where we can check out exactly the fear and greed index. So yeah, people are still bullish. The sentiment is sitting here at a 71, so people are still bullish, but we are seeing a little bit of pullback going into the weekend here, which is cool with me, right? I'd rather see us pull back in the weekend and pump during the week opposed to dumping pumping in the weekend and then dump during the week, right? You want the crypto to be pumping when the market is open, right? Because that's when the ETFs really pick up on their volume during the week, right? They're not really active like that during the weekends. But yeah, Larry Fink, extremely bullish on crypto, right, guys? Extremely bullish. All right, let's get into some of these comments to see what y'all looking at, right? We got 31 people in here, guys. Make sure that you like it and subscribe. Yeah, health is wealth. Really good afternoon to everyone. Greetings from Miami. What do you think of Book of Memes, BOM, regarding the price? Let's check it out. Let me show you some things I've been looking at, guys. Book of Meme, BOME. Let's see what we have here. $893 million market cap. I have done a little bit of TNA on Book of Memes. It's looking actually nice. This is actually a nice, good flag pattern. I'm liking what I'm actually seeing from this pattern right here, right? Got a nice, good flag pattern here, but then you're setting yourself up for maybe a double bottom there. So as long as you can hold this neckline here at the 382, I think that this project, let's redo this because this is old. So let's actually redo that here. This is just on a daily is a very bullish, very bullish pattern here. Let's see what we got. God damn. I'm trying to move this. All right, let's get into it. So we got the daily. We do have a yeah, I want to say it's a bullish flag, but you can see kind of like the flag pattern here, from here to here, and you can already start to see what's being created here, right? A nice little flag pattern. So it's Book of Beans is about to make a decision. I'm not sure if it's going to bounce to the upside or the downside. We really don't have any momentum indicators on the daily because it's still a new project. So I would have to swing over here to the 4-hour and see how the 4-hour is actually cooking. We're kind of neutral, so it really coincides with the sideways action that we're seeing. And I mean, it's still a high market cap. It just depends on how much capital you plan on putting in this thing. I will say this: projects that are listed on exchanges do get the first look, right? People like to invest in the things that have lots of holders, right? They don't, really like to get into things in its early stages when technically that's the best time to actually get into a project. This was one of those few meme coins that was listed very, very fast on exchanges. So there's always been rumors that allegedly there were exchanges that may have had some tokens before this actually was listed. You always ask yourself, like, how do these projects get listed so fast? And this was one of those ones that got listed extremely fast, even on crypto.com, which is extremely hard to get listed on. So $893 million market cap, 65 million in liquidity. Flag pattern here could bust to the upside. It looks like it wants to bust to the upside, especially if it holds this support that we see at the end of this pattern. It could possibly bust to the upside, or it can get rejected here at the top of this triangular pattern here. But the momentum indicators tell us that it actually is ready to go back up, which coincides with this double bottom that you're seeing here. But again, with a project like this, in order to really see gains, I would say you have to put up, and this is not financial advice, but I would say you have to put up something like 5K, 10K. Guys, it's already sitting at a $1 billion market cap almost. So the potential really isn't there. And with all the competition throughout the meme coin space, especially on Solana, you could probably find a project with more potential, but of course it is going to be more risk. So you want to keep that in mind as well. All right. Hammy has been going dude, salute to Hammy, man. Salute to the Hammy. I know one point the Hammy token hit a $30 million market cap, which was insane. Yeah, it's sitting here at a $28 million market cap, man. This is an influencer's token, man. Salute to this guy, right? He dropped it, and this thing went hit. Is the little cute hamster here went absolutely parabolic, and it has not yet corrected. Every time that it corrects, like, the dip actually gets bought up. I've been watching this thing for a while. I don't know. This might actually, run to $100 million market cap. It actually might, right? This thing started around 600,000 or something crazy, right? And it's just been running ever since. I mean, you can just look at the days. If we use the law of Memecoin, right? The law of Memecoin say anywhere between 7 to 10 days, you'll see a meme coin run before we see a massive correction. So you guys can count the days off with me since it started to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're coming up on that 7th day. I think that on that 7th day, you'll start to see this thing pretty much top out. And that's just the law of meme coins, right? Doesn't mean it's going to just come all the way back down, but at some point it has to build some structure. It's not very healthy for a project to go just only up like that. We do need for it to build some type of structure. Let's go to the 12-hour and see if it actually, well, let's just go to the 4-hour and see if it's actually starting to build some structure up here. Still not really no structure yet. So maybe at a $30 million market cap, this thing finally starts to cool off. But I thought it was going to cool off at it, $10 million market cap. My friend ran it and took a little bit of profits, and then it just kept going. So again, 10x is the new 2x. Sometimes you just got to ride that thing out. That could have easily been like a 30x for me. But yeah, you just don't know what soul coin, so you just got to have that type of patience. At the time when I was trading this token, I never looked at it as something that I was going into like, okay, I'm gonna hold this to peak bull run. I just wanted to capitalize on some of the hype that I did see, and we made a pretty good bag off this, and we even left a pretty good bag. But this thing doesn't seem like it wants to stop. I will say this, that the 4-hour where we do have information is overbought, though the MACD is still bullish. So we haven't have confirmation of loss of momentum because it hasn't crossed 80 here, but this thing has been a wrecking ball to the upside. wrecking ball to the upside. So salute to the Hammy token, and salute to for influencer, right? Doxed influencer showing his face, coming out here with everything that we go through in crypto, and really standing on business, right? Standing on business and being transparent to his community. So I love to see this, and I want to see more of this, right? More of this. Let's see what we get here. What's up, John? Blessings. Bobby Freedom. Bobby Freedom has been going crazy, man. He's been in these private chats really shilling J5 with vibes for sure. Check the charts, very similar around early December. Dang, if you're comparing it to WIF, I'd love to see that. I'm in the green. I've been in crypto since 2019. I've been buying in a lot since the 2-year bear market. Fables, Fibonacci to the T. Yeah, man, I haven't seen any slowdown for that project, and it's definitely still bullish. Earn, what's up, Earn? Good to see you, Earn, man. Earn Crypto, even holding a bag of that J5, man. Go make sure y'all go check out Earn Cryptocurrency. We actually show it on the screen here. Very supportive of this project, even from a personal level. Big fan of the devs. These guys are working each and every day, and it really shows in what they're building. So one of the projects that our project has been looking at, they just opened up a partnership program. So we have been looking at maybe revisiting that partnership program and the things that they're looking to do. I like to partner with projects that's, doxed and showing their face and really coming to work each and every day and being part of that grind. So salute to the whole community here. And you can see, guys, this thing had a little correction. But on the daily, we're seeing bullish momentum, and the MACD just flip bullish as well. We'd love to see it break these two necklines here and go for another all-time high, right? And yeah, which is crazy. The golden cross here is not showing, but it's really trying to stay away from this bearish cross here. So hopefully it doesn't have that bearish cross there, and we can see it, go to break these necklines and head to all-time high. Salute to the Earn community there, guys. Go follow the project, and let me know what you think. Every time I hear standing on business, I think of that Drewski video. Standing on business. Really, can you show us what you reckon best, or you like images of J5 or X now? There's still a competition. Yeah, we'll revisit that once I get off stream. I'm not gonna kind of like go through all the pictures and things of that sort. We'll just pick 3 winners, right? I'm gonna pick 3 winners of the best pictures, and yeah, we're gonna send them some J5. I might, you don't know how much people I might pick. I might pick more people, but nah, we haven't sent that out, but we will. I'm gonna just pick some random pictures that I like, that's creative. We've been sharing all of them. Salute to the community, and then we'll just randomly pick some pictures down there and send out some J5 to people. So I love the interaction we are getting on that post. There's been a lot of interaction. So guys, head to the Johnny5 Twitter page and kind of like interact with the competition, right? You gonna get involved, right? Get involved. J5, thanks, Millie. I got in at the pre-sale, and you're doing a fabulous job, brother. I appreciate that, Thaddeus. I know it's a lot of people that did get in early. Some of the pre-sale people have been hitting up and showing me screenshots that they're holding. They have those diamond hands. So I know at some point we're gonna have our time as well, as long as I continue to execute. If you look across the board, some of the things that we've been doing, we've been actually, it hasn't even been 60 days, guys, and we've been really doing our thing, right? We've been really doing our thing. So yeah, swing over to the page and support, right? Support the pictures here, the memes. We have a meme contest where we're just gonna be, and I don't even know if it's gonna be 3 people. It might be more than 3 people. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but I'm feeling pretty good, right? And we like to share the love around here and do the giveaway. So guys, you can see we do have a giveaway going on. Tag 3 friends. Hey, man, they've been going crazy with the memes. This is one of the contests that I'm actually enjoying. The memes have been absolutely insane. And if you weren't a part of the Twitter AMA space that I had last night with Ascend X, guys, go check that out. That was a banger. We was up there with Any Inu and a couple of guys from the ICP project. So we had a lot of new people finally have an understanding of what J5 is, and just to see that type of response that we was getting from the crowd. When I'm talking, I like to watch and see if I'm getting hearts and getting 100. So that was also good. And the community, a lot of these people are new, right? New to the community and dropping these J5 memes, and it's just been legendary, right? It's been legendary. So I'm loving this contest. The contest is still open, guys. Just go be creative, and whatever you do, go be creative. And I want to see more of the OGs, man. I'm seeing a lot of new people, but I don't see a lot of the OGs, man. A lot of you OGs are whales in the project, man. People want to see the whales get involved. Get involved, man. Get involved. Y'all see what? I was up 1 a.m. I went from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. and I was part of the AMA. You know, I'm working. Y'all dealing with a workhorse. Let's get into some more of these projects here. I think DeCi would love to do a possible partnership collaboration with the J5 community. Respect to legit devs in the space. Appreciate you, Earn. I think DeCi is the next narrative. Yeah, one of my favorite DeCi plays here, AXGT, did have a pullback, and I think that's the premier token for the decentralized science narrative. At first, it was Elon until the Methuselah Foundation stepped away, right? Well, we got Axon Dow here, and look at this beautiful correction, right? This thing almost hit $1, and then it's having a beautiful correction here, and this is on the 3 days, so it's just had, you know, it's been getting punished for like what, 12 days. This is like 3, 6, 9, 12 days of just straight punishment, but it had a massive run to the upside. So at some point you got to think these projects are going to correct, and this is a healthy correction because I personally believe a lot of people are looking at this project as the premier project for decentralized science. Guys, they're utilizing AI technology and voice cognitive tech to detect stuff like Parkinson's disease years before any doctor could detect it, utilizing this AI tech. And they have some big followings, big backers, big VC companies, and even on the team they have a former SEC lawyer. So you want to, you know, these are type of long-term projects right here that you want to say, hey, I can see this thing growing, and I think that it has massive potential. It's headed into our buy zone, so I might look to DCA. I haven't DCA'd into this yet. Just been pretty much enjoying the gains, but this might be an area where I do choose to DCA, right? We did have this already set up as a DCA opportunity. So if it falls back into our zone here, I'll most likely, you know, look to add to my bags, right? I got a nice little bag, but I'll look to add to my bags. But this, in my opinion, is the premier token for decentralized science. Soldier, low cap and built radar TG bot that is fire. SOLGUH. Let's see here. Don't look at I was doing research on some super gems, guys. Don't look at those. Soldier, let's see what we got here. What's the market cap on this? 259,000, only 400 holders. It's a little bit of a correction here. And you said they built a pretty good Telegram bot. So they got a few things they got to work on, right? I think people look at the whole social updated. In retrospect, when I think back, this is one of the first things I would have did with J5 is get the socials updated, right? Coin market cap, CoinGecko. I think that's that's a beautiful look for any project, and just putting it off is cool if you think like you got the you know, utmost confidence in your community. But man, it's so much better when you get this updated. So hopefully these guys, you know, take that little sick soul, get it updated, stop being cheap. You know, I was the same way, like, no, I'm not trying to damage the charts. Now, sometimes you have to liquidate tokens and get this shit taken care of, because this is the type of things you want when you look back and you think about any business. First impression is the best impression. So, don't have the Twitter here. If you want to share the link to the Twitter, share the link to the Twitter. This could be a gem, could not be a gem. I don't know. I don't have enough information. The volatility is looking nice at 3.66, and there has been a little bit of correction on the 2 hour. But let's see if we can actually look at the 4 hour here. Yeah, so it's still bearish here on the 4 hour. MACD turning bearish. Maybe you get a confirmation at some point, but this wick candle and this green candle, which is not an engulfing candle, tells me that this could possibly go lower. Maybe this thing closes on the 4 hour. You've seen the massive move when the BBs did tighten up, but now you're seeing that that correction. But if it holds this neckline here, right? If it holds that neckline there, that's what you want to see. With these soul meme coins, it's not enough information, so I gotta take the information that you guys give me and you know, use that. So if it does break this, then of course you'll be looking at the next levels of support. If this is something that you're bullish in, I would just, you know, find me a buy zone right here. right here between the top and the median of this candle here. Normally if it breaks this candle, then it'll probably look to bounce off the bottom of this candle here and retrace some of those gains. So just keep that in mind. Never buy green candles. Always look for entry points during corrections. I think that's the best way to be able to compound your cryptocurrency and compound your gains, right? Never buy into green candles. Buy the J5 dip, baby. Buy the J5 dip. What's up, Moonbound? I never thought in my life I'd be a Degen, but it has best opportunities. It does, man, but it's very, very risky, right? I go back and check some of my Degen portfolios and be like, this token went to zero, and it takes a lot of mental fortitude to kind of like be there each and every 4 hours to make sure that you're not getting rugged and things of that sort. So if you got like a regular job and you can't like stay at the charts and it's not something you have conviction, I would stick to utility tokens and long-term plays. If you're not fully in Web3, you're really taking that chance of buying these meme coins and not being able to kind of like keep up with them and see if you're actually getting wrecked or if you're making money. So keep that in mind. First round your channel by looking up videos on Elon. How low can Elon go for a monthly candle? Well, let's actually check this out on a month. I had Shiba Inu pulled up here. Yeah. New people, that's I guess the older people, they don't understand it. I've been talking about Elon for a while now, so you know you won't get Moonboy content, but you do get updates. All right, look at that. Ooh, we never looked at Elon from a monthly standpoint. But yeah, this is actually pretty nice. Elon is really bullish on the monthly, and it did get rejected here at that neckline at about 4.1. So I guess at some point in this month it did reach all the way up to 4 months. It was a wick candle, but there was a rejection. So we have not closed this month yet. Sheesh. But I will say this, so if we do close above this candle here, and let me actually turn off the Gossen channel so you guys can see, right? Let's see here. Huge cup. It's actually, looking at the monthly candle, you actually see this thing is even more bullish. I need to look at the monthly candle more often. We did get rejected at the neckline. I want to say if we do close this candle here, we're still good, but it's going to be tough, right? Because you still, on the monthly, you want to still put in that higher high. Technically, if you look at this from a technical standpoint, you would say, well, it is a higher high from here. So yeah, Elon to me is very bullish. The fact that it hasn't crossed above the Gossen channel just yet, and it's had this type of month, is actually foreshadowing what's to come. I think that this is clearly a break of this neckline, so you can say we are going for a higher high here. We don't technically this month have to break this neckline here, but as long as we close above here, I would say the bullish momentum will continue. And you can see like this is a monthly candle that Elon had when it first started. Look at that monthly. This is 1 month. Isn't that crazy? Guys, that is absolutely insane. Look at that month here, right? So when you zoom out, you can see that we're just not there yet. But if we close a month above, what's that, 6042, sky's the limit. That's really when we leave the station. We need to clear this resistance. This has been heavy resistance, right? We got rejected off it once here. We got rejected off it twice here. And now if we do get rejected again, that'll be the 3rd time. So look for this candle to break this neckline. And if it does break 4.2, I would say Elon is going to leave the station. I would see from there is Elon is going to leave the station, and especially with the big help that they've been getting from some of these top influencers, million followers on Twitter, and then the Vitalik post that name drop Elon Mars. That's huge. And not to add, they're literally building out an ecosystem here with the Rufus chain. So to zoom out, you would want it to break this neckline here. If it breaks this neckline here, there's not much structure. I mean, you do have resistance right here, but it's not much resistance at 4.9. So technically, if you break 4.9, I guess we could say from a conservative standpoint, if you break 4.9, there is no structure. There's no structure. And this project is most likely about to start flying. So you got 2 levels of resistance there, but if this thing breaks 4.9, it's gonna start flying. I'm not sure if it does it this month. I mean, this button is about to close, but it doesn't have to break it this month, right? Just this enough. It's a higher high from here, and you can start to see that Elon has started its trend to the upside, right? So you do have the Adam and the Eve pattern, and that's actually a very, very bullish pattern, right? Like that. This chart is actually getting me kind of excited, just from a technical standpoint, right? You got Adam here, you got Eve here, and now you're looking for this thing to literally, just fly once it breaks 4.9, right? So pay attention to Dogecoin, pay attention to Shiba Inu, and then you can kind of like use them as a gauge for the Elon token here. But that's a beautiful Adam and Eve pattern on the monthly. Textbook, baby. J5 in the building, one of my favorites down there. SHU, what is that on? LimeWire is making a big move. Yeah, I've seen it. A lot of people been talking about LimeWire in the Discord. Millie, a lot of the cryptos you talk about and give advice on, you touch it on before it hot. A lot of others make videos only when it pumps. Yeah, that's because I trade based off momentum indicators, and I've been talking about some of these projects for a very, very long time, and they're finally starting to catch up here. Let's see if I can actually no, they still won't let me monetize my live here. Yeah, but they're starting to catch up, which is a good thing, right? VA. SHU. Well, they got a little pump on that candle, the milli pump, right? The milli pump on Soldier. Soldier boy. Is this it right here? Shutter token? SHU. $10 million market cap. Okay. See what we got here. Excuse the yawns, guys. You got to understand, I didn't sleep till like 3 a.m. in the morning, so descending pattern. Okay, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is when you want to look to actually buy into the crypto, right? You don't want to chase green candles. If this is the project y'all talk about, I don't know. SHU is the ticker. Hopefully this is the one. Sometimes I be talking about the wrong ones. This looks like it wants to finally get confirmation on the daily that a reversal is near. What does this do? This is interesting. Y'all always come with interesting projects. Shutter is the project to prevent front-running malicious mevs on Ethereum by using threshold encryption. Oh, we need that, right? We need that on Binance with all these damn mev bots, right? Mev bots are good when you need volume, but they're also annoying when people are trying to buy or sell and they want to get the price that they're looking to get in, and they got to deal with a mev bot. So it happens. We'll see more projects start to drop this type of technology. This is technology that is needed in the space. I would have to do more research to see if this is actually, more about it, right? The team and things of that sort. And again, guys, you can't expect me to be just like this loyal, bullish dude if I'm not seeing nothing from the team. I'm not seeing nothing from this or that. I look at cryptocurrencies from face value, right? Just how I take it, being a person that's behind closed doors and understanding some of the things that happen behind closed doors. And if you knew some of the things that happen with some of your favorite cryptocurrency projects behind closed doors, guys, you would be insane, right? Insane. 50 people up here. Guys, make sure when you hop in here, make that like and subscribe. Yeah, Shutter looks nice. This actually looks pretty good right here. It does look pretty good. It looks like it's ready to put in a reversal. Let's see if we got confirmation on the 12-hour. 12 hours still looking like it still wants to be a little bit bearish here. At some point, this is going to reverse, though. It's starting to get a little bit of information on the daily, but there's no confirmation over 20. This thing is, I don't know if this was private sale launched or fear launched, but it looks like some of the early buyers are starting to get up out of the cryptocurrency, and smart buyers buy down here. So what you want to see this thing do is you want to see this thing either start to build a floor, right? Or you want to see it kind of like have V-shape recovery, right? V-shape recovery, right? Floor would be cool because you can actually accumulate. V-shape, you would have to really, really look at it. Like if you get a green engulfing candle anywhere in the next couple days, that could be a sign that the reversal is in, right? Liquid, right? 1 million in liquidity. Not seeing really any locks here, but they'll clean that up eventually, right? If we swing over here to the website, Shutter preventing front running. I think this is needed. This is needed, right? We need one for Binance too, but this is needed. If they actually execute this technology, it's not the most sexiest narrative, but it's definitely an infrastructure play that I think people who invest into it in its early stages and understand why this is needed could be a profitable play for anybody who's getting in while it's down and getting in before that reversal. So it looks nice. I would have to do more research, but for the most part, it does look nice. 56 people up here, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Brett just paid for my alternator today. Bro, you love taking little 4X's and stuff. You love, Brett. I'm pretty sure you use your strategy, right? I take a 4X and leave my moon bag. Can you please do TA on Arab? Arab cat coin. Arab cap coin. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is on Sol. It's up 100% on the day. $6 million market cap. Liquidity is locked or burnt. That's a good sign. Nice move here on the daily. Bullish momentum on the MACD. So this thing is it's looking pretty bullish. Let's check out the Twitter here. We'll have to see much, but it is looking pretty bullish. I will say that. You got this neckline broke here, this neckline broke here. And if it breaks this one, then you're looking at a new all-time high. Don't know. I would look for a double top here. If it continues to go up, look for a double top. If it can break the high, then it's really just, ready to start sending. It is sitting at a $6 million market cap. But let's check out the Twitter page here. That's Tang. Arad Cat, we'll give him a follow. Yeah, Cat Meta is here, guys. The Cat Meta is here. There was a project that I faded yesterday at a $200,000 market cap called BTC, Bat with a Cat. Bat with a Cat. Bat to Cat. Or some crazy shit on Sol, right? I seen it at a $200,000 market cap, and I was like, oh, this looks interesting. It's like a Batman cat. And that thing went all the way to a $4 million market cap overnight. So Cat Meta is here. This thing is, yeah, $6 million market cap. Maybe it does good. Maybe it does good. It's still early. Can't really give you guys an opinion on this, but it looks good, right? Let me see that cat that I actually am holding. Is it doing good? I was looking at Meow Cat here. And then, what's this? Cats? Oh, so it did rebound it. So, this thing just dropped to a $300,000 market cap, but it did rebound. Let me see what I got here. Catzilla. Yeah, Cat Meta is here, guys. Let's see where BTC is. The Cat Meta is here. Oh my God, it's actually a $9 million market cap. Why did I sleep on this token? $200,000 market cap just yesterday, and I was like, you know what? I'm not playing with solo tokens right now. Why? I knew it was going to fucking boom. Oh, I missed out on this one. I knew this was a play. I be knowing, bro. I can just get a good sense of these shits, bro. I knew this was one. And I sat there and was being lazy, like, I don't feel like loading up my soul right now. Millie, don't chase no green candles. It was at $200,000 market cap, and I was like, there was an alert sent out, right? So I follow certain influencers, and usually these influencers, they come through, right? So a certain influencer talked about this project, and it was at a $200,000 market cap, and I was like, But the same influencer talked about this token here, Catzilla. So if this thing dips back down, I'll probably buy a little bit more. Guys, please don't copy trade me. I am mad I missed that trade. Excuse me. I am mad I missed that trade. So then Big Red TD up next, $11 million market cap still. Yeah, man. I think once the influencers get up out that, so I know the feeling, bro, but you'll get another. Yeah, they all the chances come each and every day. I can't hold it anymore, really. Sorry, bro, but it seems like the shittier picture you have for a meme, the more the price goes up. I I'm not gonna deny that, bro. I'm not gonna deny that. You see Crow with a knife, bro. Somebody came in the Telegram, the J5 Telegram, and was like, bro, I can't believe it. But nah, it's so it's sold, man. It's sold. Arab cat, yeah, it could do some numbers. He said still waiting for Swift Coin to break out. They should. They do a lot of partnerships. They got a lot of meme coins on their platform. They get a lot of looks. Moonbound laughing. Yeah, bro. I caught that baby at a $200,000 market cap. So hold on. Let me do something real quick. Guys, I'll be right back. I gotta make a move real quick. 1 second. Let me go to Jupiter here. Because I'm not making the same mistake that I made yesterday. I'm not even about to make the same mistake that I made yesterday. So hold on, guys. Hold your horses. Let's see what we got here. We ain't even about to play around, man. Hold ting. We ain't about to even play around with that, right? You about to play around. Don't mind me, guys. And yeah, we about to DCA into that real quick. So 1 second. I told y'all I'd be actively like trading while I'm live streaming. 1 second, guys. I'm doing something right now. Just hold your horses. Don't go nowhere. I'm not leaving. I'm just doing something. I'm just doing something right now. Don't mind me. Please don't mind me. All right, let's see if we can get this thing rolling right here. Y'all know I'm a Degen. I'm a Degen. Dang, it did have that low like pullback, and then it just got bought right back up. These dudes, man, they just savages in crypto, right? God damn, savages. Radium moves so slow when you're trying to do something. I just can't deal with Radium sometimes, man. Now this page is not working. Come on, bro. All right, here we go. I'll be back, guys. One second. Wow, this thing is so fucking slow. Why is it showing that my song got? That's weird. It's showing I got that much sold, but on Radium it doesn't tell me I got that much sold, which is absolutely fucking weird. Anyways, I'm not even gonna worry about it right now, but okay, we got that taken care of. All right, so let's get back to the chat here. I'm back. We got 57 people up in here like and subscribe. Soulfin gonna rebound soon. I think somebody told me about that yesterday. I know the feeling. I can't. With Render and Elon got me up. Love to see the positive news there. Miss with live and live and learn. Yeah, man. You get into these early, but the cat meta is going crazy. I'm gonna take a picture of a goat with a hat, make a meme, and see if I can make it come up. Man, you never know. That might just be the one, right? Hey, I don't know I don't know the reason that these things just happen, right? But I will say this, right, and I will say this, right. Definitely Sol is a GambleFi token, right? Because it's definitely a casino, but it's definitely worth it, right? It's definitely worth it. Radium is so slow. Spend a lot of time trying to buy Memecoin. It's slow, bro. Elon swinging back up after that little pullback. Let's see what we got here. Elon group in here. It's up 20% on the day, so not bad. Yeah, and it did break the 786 again. It did dip below, but 786, but now it's back above it. So yeah, the fact that it broke back into it is most likely going to go to the 1 here, and the momentum is bullish on Elon. So again, I would say 49 is the number to look for this thing really to like super fucking gigasend, right? 49. If we look here, you just want to break this neckline here, which is about 49, and even 41. You know, we did it 2 times, right? 1, 2, 3. We did it 4 times, and this is the 5th time. So if it comfortably breaks 49, nothing is stopping this from gig ascending. And actually, this is a very bullish pattern. It's called the Adam and Eve here. Double bottom, cup, going for the handle, whatever you want to call it, whatever you see. Your perception is your reality. Regardless, this is a very bullish project for bullish pattern for any project that's long term and looking to rebound and put in a reversal. So definitely looking nice from that perspective. Love that honest reaction. Makes me feel a little bit better. I have missed more than I hit. Yeah, man. Millie Mew Cat is the dog's world. I'm 100% in one day. Which cat coin are you talking about? Guess I may start to buy my meme coins either early in the morning or late at night. Yeah, Render seems to. I think Jupiter is a lot more easier, but they don't. The thing about Jupiter is that they don't list it instantaneously. And even with Radium, if you ever tried to buy a cryptocurrency that just launched on Radium, it takes forever even to find the pool. So they got to figure that out, but people don't care because people are getting rich in crypto. People are getting rich. People are getting rich off these meme coins. So yeah, if you notice, I got all the cats pulled up here because I am noticing that the cat meta is here, right? So I got all the cats pulled up, and I will put Arab cat into that as well. I looked at Lola, which is like the Lola the cow. It's a lot of stupid shit out here, right? So don't buy it. Make sure you always do your research. Mewcat? Make me want to drop a soul meme coin called Mewtwo. Send Mewtwo. Mew? This joint is big. 380. Where is the? I never even. That's what I'm saying. Like I never even heard of this project. And this thing got a. What is this? Who launched this and where did it come from? This thing already at almost a $400 million market cap. What is this? I've never even heard of this. Cats in the dog world Mew. I never even heard of this. Yeah, cat meta is here. The cat meta is here, and they're already getting listed on Gate.io. These guys already are. I never even heard of this. This to me is like one of those tokens like randomly pop up out of nowhere and got millions of fucking holders, and yeah, it's just I don't know, man. I don't know. Look, Memecoin Mew hit 200 million market cap in just 48 hours. This is insane. I didn't even know this launched. So I can't catch them all, bro. I am not Ash from Pokemon. I cannot catch them all. So you guys really help out with that thing. Oh, I never even turned my screen back on. Damn, why y'all ain't say nothing, bro? I'm sitting here trading meme coins. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully I'm back. Hey, y'all was there the whole time. Y'all was there the whole time. Thank you, Reflair. Cats and the dog coins. Yeah, that Mew is crazy, right? It's $200 million in 48 hours. Is insane, man. What the heck? When did that happen? When did that drop? Okay, so let me go back to the Elon thing. Okay, bam. Adam and Eve pattern. Elon is looking to, it needs to break this 4.9 to really say the rocket ship is about to send out of space. Some people would say if we break 4.1, that's a confirmation, but I need to see this neckline broken here, which is 4.9, and then we really don't have any structure until we get to the 8. So once it breaks 49, it's going to really, really move. And this is what I was saying, Adam, Eve, bust to the upside. And this is the monthly chart. The monthly charts look extremely bullish for Elon. Like, you ain't even gonna find a better bullish chart than this. This shit is actually and that's what I'm saying. This is what I get excited about. I get excited about when I see a chart of a project that look like it's bottomed out and now I can buy in at a favorable prices. Hell yeah, I'm gonna make a bullish video. That don't mean I'm gonna make a moon boy video. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not sitting here acting like I met the Elon devs and we had a dinner together and this is, no, I'm not finna sit here and do that with y'all. Y'all, that type, y'all know where to go watch if y'all want that type of energy. I just give you updates realistically, right? I was that guy at one point, but you know, it's not even worth it at this point, right? Especially if you don't know these people. Like, I feel like just giving a realistic approach will work. I'm not here to pump your bags. I just want to let you know what I'm personally seeing. If you agree, you agree. If you don't agree, we can disagree to agree, right? I'm not no expert. I'm a regular guy. I think I dropped that one in the Patreon, right? Yeah, this is a utility token that we're actually bullish on, and they're aiming to fix the, oh my god, look at it. Look at the move from Panda Swap, man. Now, we put this in the Telegram channel, we put this on the Patreon. Hopefully you guys took advantage of this. We said that this thing was going to explode. This in Panda Swap and Solex. Is Solex still running? Because that was another one where it was like, wow, thing actually sent. So it is down 25% on the day. But these two utility tokens, Panda Swap, Solex, I have a little bit more confidence in opposed to something like Soul Card, especially after Soul Sign rugged 99%. It really, really put a bad taste in my mouth with even Solana utility tokens. Right? Oh yeah, Panda Swap is aiming to do exactly what Radium couldn't do. This thing's up 300% in a day. I didn't even notice. Now I gotta go check my wallet and see how my Pandas. And again, I didn't put enough in this thing to make life-changing gains, but this is good. Good that Panda Swap literally started sending, right? Very bullish on this token. Very, very bullish on this token. Thanks, Pink. Appreciate it. Skid. What happened with Skid? I haven't heard nobody bring it up in a little minute. Is it back? I know people been saying cheers, Skid. I'm more of a DJ, and I like to buy them before they cross over $1 million market cap, but it's extremely risky with Soul Memecoin. So yeah, this thing is still sending, right? This thing, it's corrected, man. Maybe I thought the market cap was higher, was lower than this, but it's since then corrected and yeah, if this is something that you have conviction in, maybe it's the best time to find an entry point while it is correcting. I know a lot of people been telling me about Cheers too, but I like to get into these projects sub $1 million market cap, right? Cheers is finally correcting. Yeah, a lot of these ones went crazy and now they're finally corrected here. Meme Cat, yes, Meme Cat is doing pretty well. Look like it's closing back in on $200 million market cap here. Alrighty. So yeah, the cat meta definitely is in. Yeah, people have been waiting on Ali for a while. I don't know. It's so many AI coins these days, but yeah, hold on to your Ali, man. I mean, Mark Cuban is supposedly behind it. And again, you don't want to sell your Ali token, and as soon as you sell it, it literally starts pumping, right? That happens every time to me, man. Every time I take profits or I sell a cryptocurrency, 48 hours, that shit pumps. I'm not doing that no more. I'm not doing that no more. DPay, it's listed on Sol and ETH. Great RWA play. It's been slowly grinding. Cryptos are us. What happened to the play that y'all was coming with, man? What happened to that project, that soul project you used to talk about, bro? That I was saying it has to get the uh the uh the socials. What happened, bro? Did y'all fall off? Like, what's the word, man? You don't even bring it up no more. Pay on soul. What is this? You don't even bring it up no more, Crypto SARS. Feeding the digital generation about Devour, climb the Go VP chart. Feeding the digital generation. What does this do? I guess we'll swing over to the website here. I do apologize. I didn't know my screen was still on. Be right back. In-game ordering agent, sub-tier, player, community, food, perk rewards, feeding the digital generation, Twitch, DPay. Warning, app Devour is an innovative ecosystem where games, entertainment, and food converge. We are powering food ordering, engagement, and conventional. I like this type of shit. This is what I like. Now, this is the type of stuff that I buy right here, right? I like these type of projects. Now, I don't know enough about this project. I'm not stamping it, but I like the idea, right? If I was on Shark Tank, this would be something where I say, okay, I like the idea here with this. I like what they got going. I like what they got going here. Digital generator. I like this. How long has they been around? So they've been around. Let's look at the ETH chart and see how long they actually been around. $35 million market cap, $3 million in liquidity. See how people actually feel about this, right? Weekly. Oh yes, it started this move, right? Yep. People seeing this and like, yeah, it started this move, $35 million market cap. This probably under the D-pin narrative and all. This is neat. This is a neat utility token. And I still think that what they're basically working on being the you know what I'm talking about when you order food, right? I'm tired, guys. I didn't go to sleep at 3:80 a.m. in the morning. What's the fucking shit? God damn. When you order food on online and they come bring you food, right? That's what this reminds me. Reminds me of. But if they get that app and that app actually becomes like legit, real deal, and people actually start utilizing it. Hold on, man. I'm kind of like streaming right now. VR. Yeah, I can see this thing going well over $100 million market cap. This is actually something that's needed. It's a project that I don't see a lot of people have tried to do in crypto in Web3. And yeah, this could be literally Uber Eats, right? This could be the Uber Eats of crypto. I'm sorry, I had a brain fart right there, but this could be the Uber Eats of crypto, and very, very interesting play. I will say that on the weekly is a little bit overbought, but it hasn't confirmed loss of momentum. So this thing is pumping, right? It's been pumping for a few weeks now, almost a whole fucking month, right? $35 million market cap. It's a 1 penny now, and it pumped from 2.0 like all the way down here. Are you in this token? This is nice. This is a nice utility token here. This is very, very nice. I like it. I like it. BTC on Sol. Community leader left and it's dusted. Ah, man, that's messed up, man. Can you look at hash key? HBar's first dog meme on HBar, then look at HBar 2, please, because if HBar pull back, then hash key, hash KY. I might have to go to CoinGecko to find that one. Let me switch my my camera here, and then we'll go find hash key, and then we'll do some TNA on. Yeah. 1 second, guys. Let me find that here. Hash. Where can I go? Where can I go check out that project hash key at? I'm having a hard time finding it. 1 second, let me fix my camera here. Then let me know where you actually go look at it. Do you look at it at Deck Screener or where you actually have found the hash key project here? Communities, they get so butthurt, right? People get so butthurt. I should be back up. Oh, shh. Let's see what we got here. Let's go to Hedera and make sure that I'm actually back live. All right, cool. All right, let's go to Hedera and see what's going on with H-bar. Let me know where you actually go to look at the charts for hash key, and I'll check it out for you. H-bar in the monthly is looking nice. Go to the weekly. Yeah, as you can see, guys, we've done some T&A here on H-bar. I would have to check the momentum gauges to see if it's actually overbought or oversold here on the weekly. Can we actually do that? Or are you gonna? I gotta pay for it, of course, of course. It looked like it's putting in the same damn pattern, though, to be honest with you guys. All right, let's see here. It's a bit overbought on the monthly. Oh yeah, so just like I suspected from the kind of like the patterns that I would say. So what you want to see right here with Hedera, you can see that it put a descending pattern here and broke to the upside. You want to see it put a descending pattern here to about 9 cents and again break to the upside, which would coincide with the loss of momentum on the stock RSI, which you do have confirmation below 80. So I think that it goes down here to retest the support that we do have about 10 or 9 cents, and then puts in another flag post here. As you can see from the first pattern, I mean, as long as the entire market is bullish, it'll just keep doing this, right? Go up, handle, flag, right? So what you would want to see with this, and I'm sorry I couldn't really check out hash key because I couldn't find it, but you can want to see it retest that support there at about 9 or 10 cents, and then go and continue the uptrend that we're clearly seeing since here, right? So yeah, this little pattern can come all the way down here to 8 cents. So be aware. I just don't think that happens because April looked like it's going to be bullish when you think about the fact that we're not having an FOMC meeting. If we was having an FOMC meeting, then I would be like, maybe it does come back to the trend line. But I think maybe it retests 9 or 10 cents. We do have confirmation on the weekly, but this could play out a while, right? Because this is a weekly chart. But you can kind of see that these patterns are almost identical. And if the momentum is still bullish, which the trend is your friend to the end, most likely this pattern will also break to the upside. At least, of course, that's what you want to see. confirming the momentum that we do have here with H-bar. So if H-bar continues to go up, of course, the ecosystem, Saucer, Grelf, and that dog coin that you mentioned could also go up as well. Where at? Oh. There we go. All right, so hopefully you can see it now. I do apologize. I got like two different screens and stuff set up. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I had a long night last night. So I'm not all the way here right now, but I'm here with you guys. So bear with me. But all of that should make sense. I mean, you should have been able to see it because at the end of the day, it was on the right-hand side and not the left-hand side. So you should have been able to see exactly what I was saying. I mean, it's kind of clear as day what's happening here with Hedera. And you do have the green Gaussian channel. So you have to assume that if the Gaussian channel is green on the weekly, that this momentum will continue to the upside at some point here. Baboon with a hat launched on Sunday. I got that airdrop. Memes are fun. Yeah, man, memes are fun. Do you think I should buy some Shiba and hold until post BTC halving? What? Bro, if you buying Shiba this late and you only plan on holding to post BTC halving, in my opinion, you're wasting your time. That's just a waste of time. They can find something that's has more potential. Like unless you're putting in 20 grand or 30 grand and you're doing a short-term trade with like 20, 30 grand, yeah, of course you can make some pretty good gains. But if you just put $100, $200, even $1,000, and you're looking to short-term trade Shiba Inu from here to post Bitcoin halving, in my opinion, with everything that you're seeing going on with Solana, that's just a waste of time, bro. You can go buy you a meme coin. You can go get you some goddamn J5, bro. Yo, you can get you some J5. Potato. Let's check this out because I didn't check that out last time I was on stream with you. But I'll check it out this time. My boy Poke in the building. Poke. I'm warming up to Bite, man. Bite is looking good. Bite is looking good. It's looking like it's going to be a premier dog in. Wait. What are we doing here? 56. Is this the price of this? The fuck? What are you doing? What are we doing here? What? I'm confused with the supply. What is this? Ain't no way. How much? What the hell? What is that supply? This is the most weirdest scarcity token I've ever seen in my life, but it's interesting. Hey, I'm Potato. One supply, infinite potential, Solana store value. Get out of here. It's only one. How did they create this? I don't know, man, but this has got to be one of the most interesting meme coins that I've seen in a while. It's only one available in the entire, like, talk about like scarcity, talk about hyper burn, right? On a 4-hour, this thing looks like it's about to explode on a 4-hour. Look at this. This is what you want to see. You want to see the floor being built and the BBs actually tightening up. This right here, I mean, I don't know, man, but godly, this is interesting. At some point, it's probably gonna be like a real wealthy and rich person being like, you know what, I just want to buy one of these, or at least 0.5, right? It looks like a double bottom is forming, but definitely a floor here is being built, some structure. This is interesting, man. I never heard of this, but I've never seen nothing like it. Right, BB's tightening it up on the 4-hour. It literally only has one potato in supply. So very, very interesting. Very, very interesting project there. Very, very interesting project. I got invited 200K or 250K. Yeah, man. Well, then you're doing really well getting it in that type of area. I have 25K, but I'm going to invest it all in ETH and wait some years. We'll just do that then, man. You know, ETH could potentially get a spot ETF, right? They got a spot ETF on the way with ETH, potentially, allegedly. And I mean, if you believe ETH is going to go to the heights of, 25,000, 50,000, a lot of people say that's conservative with ETH. ETH is literally the glow, right? Earth, right? Where all the humans live. You need ETH. ETH is like water, right? It's like water. It's Earth, right? No other planet can host a life like ETH can because it's so liquid. It has so much water. So yeah, and it's could potentially get a spot ETF in the future. So front running that narrative, I say probably would be a little bit. It just depends, right? If you got 25K and you're putting it into Shiba Inu, you'll make some money. Now, if you're putting 25K into Shiba Inu, you'll make some money. You'll probably make more money putting 25K into Doja Mars, and you'll probably make more money putting 25K into something like Byte or any Inus, a dog coin that's right around 20 million, $50 million market cap, right? You got good options in that little mid area that you don't have to go be a fully degen. I mean, Byte, any Inu, Vita Inu. These are a legit meme coins that's been here, that's built structure, that's building out utility, that have entire ecosystems where you don't have to buy $1 billion dog coin. You can find a dog coin in the mid cap where you don't have to take that type of risk, but you can still see more rewards than you would get from buying something like ETH, Shiba Inu, or even a dog coin sitting at a $100 million market cap. So yeah, definitely. Trimp with Bowden. Oh, shit. Trimp with Bowden. These tokens have been doing pretty good. Let's see here. Trimp. This is a good mix of both of them, right? Trimp with Bowden. Oh, man, is this a rug? Come on, Bobby. I know you're not shilling it. No way. This man just came up here and shilled a rub. Come on, bro. That shit don't even have liquidity. Bobby, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Trimp. I'm gonna try again. Maybe that was just the wrong one, right? Because ain't no way, bro. This is the only one. Ain't no way you look at this and you buy this and you don't notice that it has absolutely no liquidity. Ain't no way. Oddly, Bobby, you be bringing some odd projects on the live stream. This is why. Honestly, like, I rock with you, Bobby, but I do not like to check the coins that you ask me to check because it's always different. I'm gonna just say different. So we'll just say that. I was flipping memes, but it popped up. Then the community is too savage, and yeah, man, I'm not gonna look at any more tokens you talk about, Mr. Bobby. No, I wrote this dead. Bar Trimp is better. Bar Trimp. Yeah, anything's better than that. That's a rug. It has no liquidity. Liquidity was stolen from some devs. Bar Trimp, up 300% on a day. This is interesting. Let's go to the 30-minute. Man, I wish you would have told me earlier. God dang. That had a nice, good correction, right? And now it looks like it's about to go absolutely insane. But it's still a $300,000 market cap. I might have to put this on a watch list, see if they update their socials here. It seemed like it had a nice pump and then it had a huge dump. Consolidation built out a floor on the 30-minute charts. These are the 30-minute charts, so this don't really mean have too much stock into it, okay? But it's now seemed like it's ready to take its next leg up. So I'm not stamping this, but hey, whatever. Oh man, but yeah, bro. I ain't blaming you, bro, but I'm just going off your prior history, sir. My yellow money is going to Telos and Casper at the moment. Okay, you like Casper and Telos? I like Telos. I've been trying to stack up on much Telos as possible. Vote is also in that window. Let me not skip Vote. Vote is also in that window too of 50. I mean, you got Squid Grow. Squid Grow is heavily influenced by influencers as well. So you got Vote, Squid Grow, Vita Inu, Any Inu, Byte. Her Mew, the cat, right? The Vitalik's cat. You got a lot of good meme coins in that little $10 to $50 million area that I think you can see some pretty nice gains on. So I want to make that clear. I don't want to leave out anyone's, right? I don't want to leave out my vote family there. It was you. Don't take it personal, Bobby. We over here chilling, bro. Just let's keep some good energy going, man. Let's keep some good energy going. Sometimes I do skip. I need some wings. I'm hungry now. Thanks to you, Poke. I'm going to go get some wings. I haven't ate good all week. I've been like cooking and kind of like eating at the crib. So, you know, saving money, not going to eat out. But I think I want to go get some wings today. You made me want some wings. Nah, nobody saying you're shilling it. Okay, you guys are arguing in the comments. Come on, let's be professionals here. Yeah, I think Whiff flipped Pepe, right? That was crazy, right, Jugglins? Telos is a good utility play. You know what I mean? They are good. They are good. I like Telos. Telos is a good utility play here. Where are we at with Telos? I don't even check my Telos. It was one of those things where I'm just riding it out. But if I do get the bridge taken care of, because I got a bridge taken care of for J5 on Chainport. I'm not going to say exactly what chain it is, but we're working on adding liquidity via Chainport on another bridge to expand. But then down the line, I also told Chainport that I was interested in Telos, because they told me like, yeah, we got Telos on board. I would just have to find an AMA for Telos to be able to add a liquidity pool for Telos. I would love to do that though, because I think people are sleeping on this chain, and if we can get J5 on the Telos chain, I think that'd be something that I would love to do, right? It's crazy this thing is at $161 million market cap from where we first discovered it at. So had a nice good correction, but it's gonna start moving back up. It'll be at $1 soon. Before you look up, Telos will be at $1. I messed up some wings on the shark. Bro, you making me hungry. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, what is wrong with y'all? Y'all want me to lead the stream. Y'all is making me hungry. Jugglers, why you messing with this man? You know Bobby is emotional ordering rings tonight because of y'all. Yeah, I'm hungry, dude. You know who got some good wings? Pizza Hut wings be bussin'. The other day I said I'm gonna order. This was my first time ordering wings from Pizza Hut, and I ordered some wings from Pizza Hut. Them shits was bussin'. God dang, I could taste them now. God damn, guys. All right, so how does the entire crypto market go? Because we don't got an FOMC meeting in April, right? We're doing good, right? Whiff just flipped Pepe. I gotta check my TIA bag. I haven't checked my TIA bag. I got lots of staked TIA. I was doing airdrop farming for me and also the Patreon, and I think my Titan X unlocks. And when my Titan X unlocks, I'm getting the fuck up out of there. Like I want to believe that it's gonna come. I mean, right when I get out of Titan X, watch it pump. And I really want to believe it's gonna pump. I really want to believe that this could do something like Zen or like Hex. But it's been ugly. It's been ugly. And then I got a lot of staked TIA. But then I still haven't gotten any airdrops. And I've staked my TIA for a while now. TIA, can you send me my damn airdrops? Yeah, I thought they were. Look, I normally don't like wings from pizza places, but their wings actually taste pretty good. Only the lemon pepper ones, right? That's the only ones I can stamp, right? Is the lemon pepper ones, but they actually they taste pretty decent, guys. I can't cap here. They taste pretty decent. Chuck, go rug yourself. Yeah, Bobby is fun, man. ZD says 25K Quanex. Yeah, Quanex is legit, right? Quanex just closed a partnership out with a full country. Quanex is one of those narratives where you really believe like there's going to be an issue with AI like taking over in learning the encryption of BTC, then you would want to get into some projects that have quantum resistant technology. And I think at this point we can look at it and say, well, the premier project is Quan platform. And I mean, if you put 25K in, and you believe this thing is running to a $1 billion market cap, well, then there you go, there you have it. 1.5 billion, right? 10x is good for 25K. I think you can count on Quan X 10xing from here, but of course I am not a financial advisor. You can find 10x plays across the market. This might be even more than a 10x if the quantum computer and technology narrative really starts to kick off. And I've bought some. I actually hold sell frame, so I hold sell frame. But this is the thing. I think if BTC crosses 100K, then we'll start to hear more about this AI, this quantum computer that can pretty much hack BTC and basically a wallet drainer on steroids. That's what they're predicting. The higher that Bitcoin goes, the more easier it will be to kind of like pick that lock, and that's why you're starting to see quantum resistant technology protocols, platforms, and crypto projects start to send when that narrative goes up. So you got Quanex, you got Cellframe, and then you got Kel VPN, in my opinion, which falls under that Cellframe ecosystem. And those three are the premier three. It's kind of like the RWA. You really don't have the low caps. I know we always want to find low caps in those sectors, but the low caps, they're actually not in that sector. Those are really the three. And then even with the RWA, you look at the low caps and you're like, these suck. I might as well buy Ondo. I might as well buy Rio. I might as well buy this, buy that. And even with the new ones that come out, you would have thought they would have performed pretty better. I'm kind of, I'm a little bit upset with how Alvaro performed so far. I'm still holding it, but I thought it should have been a better performance out the gate, right? Whenever you say you weren't going to, become the next BlackRock of crypto, and then you got Larry Fink literally going on a press run where he's pumping an RWA narrative, and your token can't pump in the narrative. It's like, it's frustrating, but I'm holding that. I'm having patience because I think it needs to get out all those private sale and seed investor motherfuckers, and once we get them out the way, I think it'll start to take that next leg out. But safely, less risk. I think Quan platform is the premier token within the quantum resistance narrative. Yes, I do. 115 ton airdrop coming to. Hey, good juggling. Go get CeeLo now. Apologize later until you. Yeah, I think CeeLo is actually starting to heat up. A lot of people got their meme coins on CeeLo, and you can actually mint a contract using Axelar technology. Where we're actually on CeeLo. We actually do have a contract on CeeLo, just not a liquidity pool. So J5 is on CeeLo. We just have to create a liquidity pool for it. Can you check Brett? Yeah, Brett. People ask me about Brett every day, right? I mean, think Brett is it's most likely going to head to what, $1 billion market cap on base. It's going to be that base token that hits $1 billion market cap. It's pumping each and every day, right? It's at 600 million now. So yeah, this thing is on its way to 1 billion. And if you know how to utilize the base ecosystem, then you probably could still see maybe a nice good 2x. But this thing, the move was getting to it down here, guys. Like now at some point, it's like you're buying green candles. Like, let's be real. If you're buying Brett now, why? You can go find you another token on base that's most likely going to do the same thing. It's gonna get you a little bit more gains than Brett. But if you a person that don't like risk, you just want a meme coin, you can park your money in. You want a little bit of gains here, a little bit of potential there. Meme coins run out of gas when they hit 1 billion. We've seen it from Pepe. We've seen it from so many different meme coins. Once they hit that 1 billion, they kind of like really, really slow up because the liquidity levels are so high. It really takes a lot of liquidity to move the price. So you want to get into a meme coin that, even though lower liquidity would be a little more risky, or the price appreciates a little bit more faster. So at this point, I mean, you can be the 41,000 holder, or you can be holder 700 in a meme coin and watch it blossom, right? So guys, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind when you kind of like want to buy into those green candles. All right, 1 second here. Let me turn off some of this stuff in the background so we don't skip too much. I got a couple of applications I'm running in the background, so I'm gonna turn those off. I never heard of Friends. What is that? Okay, now yeah, this is what I'm talking about. A $1 million market cap, only 800 holders. Looks like it's putting in a massive flag pattern here. Whoa. I don't know. This might be a center, guys. That's promising. That's a promising pattern for. Looks like it hit that $1 million market cap goal milestone, and it's getting ready to cook up another milestone. Maybe 10 milli from here. This actually looks nice for a new daily chart. This is actually a good looking daily chart. This is a good looking daily chart for a new project. What's going on here? I never heard of Friends, but it looks pretty nice. I will say it does look nice. We'll give them a follow here. So they're giving out rewards. So it's actually a frog token. Chart definitely looks nice. Chart looks nice on the daily. This looks like a massive bullish flag here. Only 800 holders. 41 million supply, 69 million, and it's only at 3 cents. Definitely has pumpamentals. Definitely have pumpamentals in here at a 1 million. This looks nice. This looks nice. This looks actually pretty nice. This is a base token. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Sun Tzu, including Friends. These frogs are starting a no holds bar, all out degen frenzy on the blockchain. Oh, base. So this looks nice. Let me check out some of my crypto.com meme coins. See how we doing. Oh, Crease is getting absolutely wrecked. Crypto.com meme coins are going to just getting wrecked. So I think Solana and Base is the play as far as meme coins. Definitely Solana and Base is the play. Love what I'm seeing here from Solana and Base meme coins. But Friends looks nice. Friends looks nice, man. Friends looks nice. Weekly airdrops for holders. Oh, that's what's up. Or competition. I'm not sure. Me dropping gems today. Nah, Friends looks nice. Not coin mining ends. Anyone still mining their Friends look okay. Let's see here. All right, guys. I think that's what we have today as far as the stream. Unfortunately, you guys made me extremely hungry and haven't ate anything yet, so I need to go get that energy. I don't know. I maybe I'll come back on a little bit later today. I don't know. I might come back on a little bit later today. Seems like it's a slow day. Some meme coins pumping, some meme coins not pumping. We'll just have to figure it out. Guys, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door move entrepreneur inside the algorithms. It was a little bit of a slow day. I can't give you any type of recommendations on how many Elon you should have. You should have whatever you're comfortable with buying, whatever you're comfortable with losing, right? I think you should have as much Elon you are comfortable with losing, right? I can't give you guys financial advice or tell you how much you should be holding. You gotta hold what's best for you, good brother. Yeah, I did make myself hungry, man. Came on the stream talking about some damn wings. It made me extremely hungry. Oh, no, I don't want no Chinese wings. I actually don't like wings from Chinese restaurants. Those are the wings that I don't like. I like Chinese food, but I just don't like Chinese wings. No, I do not like Chinese wings. Yeah, Mike, you got to figure that out, good brother. I think you need to hold as much as you are afraid to lose. Yeah, I've been very conservative with my predictions on Elon, but of course, people can't take realistic predictions. They want moon boy predictions, and this is not something I'm about to give you guys unless I'm putting it in my thumbnail or in my title, right? We try to, like, you know, bring people over to the channel by giving out attention grabbers as far as thumbnails and in titles. But if you just ask me, you know, what's your prediction on Jasmine, or how do you think Elon will go? I normally try to give you guys a pretty realistic answer. So yeah, I'm gonna close it out. We've been going for an hour and 30 minutes, guys. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, consider our community token. Check out the Discord, grab the Discord, check out the Patreon. I'm here almost every day, God willing, and appreciate everybody for turning up in this stream.